Hello people, this is Soumya Naik signing in. Welcome back to my channel. I am good and doing good too. What about you all? Do let me know in the comment section. This is part 2 of my Kumar Purnima blog. Hope you enjoy it. Here is my mom making chanda chakota. That's what we call it in Odia, which is basically a mixture of fried paddy, jaggery, uh, grated fresh coconut, sugar, banana, ginger and homemade curd. So here she is giving it a shape of chanda actually. And every year my mom prepares this specially for us. And here is me preparing makhana kheer with dry fruits and nuts. So here the chanda chakota is ready and my sister is preparing other prasad items, which is basically include grapes, cucumber, pears, laddus and kheer. And here is our chanda chakota. It was very delicious and of course we released it on that day. So this is the west sky and it's just something else on Kumar Purnima. Just look at it. And here comes our Chanda Mama, the moon, and I must say the brightest full moon. So we started puja, mom offered the prasad and we did the bandana. Then we did 7 times parikrama of Tulsi Ma, which we call Chaura in Odia. So this is how we celebrated Kumar Purnima 2022. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.